Today I'm gonna teach my son how to take lights off the car. Hi everyone, welcome back to our next episode. Hi Nicodemus.
Hello.
You want to say hi to everyone?
Hi everyone.
Hey. Today I'm gonna teach my son how to take lights off the car. Are you ready, Nicodemus?
Yeah.
I'm gonna take this light off. I'll show you the whole process, and the other side you're gonna do it. Okay, I want to show you yourself. You're gonna do it yourself. And all of you guys who are watching, please tell your kids, and this will be a good education just as for my son and for your guys too.
Oh, that's
okay. Now, okay, you already started without me, right?
Yeah, me.
Okay, so here we have two little caps like this and two bolts inside right here, so two caps. So Nicodemus, we're gonna have to unscrew them. Okay, you gotta use the right tool. So this is not the right tool for you to use. So what are we gonna use? We're gonna go to our toolbox and grab our tools. Also, we might even have something here. Okay, this is the one we're gonna need.
This looks like.
Okay, go try it out. But I think you grabbed the wrong one. Pretty big?
Yeah.
Okay, so we're using a T30. It's a Husky T30. So we're gonna unscrew them. Okay, we need to find a good container for the bolts. There is a black one right there. Black container, tray. So now you guys have to take two bolts like this off the taillight. By the way, I want to tell everyone that I've never dismantled or took apart a Porsche. Yeah, we can use this, sure. So now Nicodemus, see, two screws are off.
Yeah.
And now we'll see if we can get the tail light. It's not. So this is only, looks like this is only a plastic that holds under the taillight. So what are we gonna do? We have to go inside and see if there is a way for us to.
Let me go with this and check. Is there anything?
No, I don't see it. Okay, so there is a little cover on the side right here, and I do see. I'm not sure if you guys can see it inside. There is also a bolt right here. So there's a bolt, 1, 2, 3. So we have 3 different bolts and a little cover.
What about this?
But that's not. Now the T30 will not fit inside, so we need something smaller. Go grab another side. Next one. So right here. So I'm gonna try T20. Okay.
It fits?
No, T20 is too small, but actually, I mean, we can grab two of the screws.
I think 40 is good.
40 is too big.
Does it?
Yes. Okay, so I got one. So inside we have 2 bolts. Let's see if we, Nicodemus, if we get them loose. See inside?
I feel it. But
You feel it's moving? Okay. Hold on. Okay, now Try it.
It's not coming out.
It's not? Hold on, it's still holding. Okay, should be now. So there you go, guys. As you guys, right here. So this is how you take the tail light on a Porsche Panamera 2011. If you ever need to replace a tail light, and we have a plug right here, and somehow we need to press on. Hold that light. Okay. Hold on. There we go. Hold it. So Nicodemus, you have to push this out,
Okay.
like this,
I got it.
and then pull the plug out of the light.
Oh,
Put it on this shelf, yeah. Okay, cool. Now, your turn to do a second side.
I don't need those. I'm gonna go inside and do it.
No, from here. You can do it from here. Here. It's the black one. The black, two black bolts. It's okay, take your time.
Alright, first time though.
First time, huh? If you you can loosen that bolt, and then okay, loosen this. You got it loose, right? So use now switch to another bolt on the other side, another black one. Go ahead.
Not comfortable.
Yeah.
They put in like a place where it's not comfortable.
It's because we need an extension. Okay, now take the wrench out. See if you can move. You can unscrew with your hands. No,
Okay.
use this. Pull it out.
Okay. What's that?
That one's out. Okay.
It's not going in.
What do you mean? It is. A little bit more. A little more.
It's down?
Okay, it's
Oh,
out.
the middle one.
Yeah, so it's out now. Okay, pull the light. Okay, you got it. Now,
You need to hold this.
remember what I told you you have to do?
Mm-hmm. But,
Okay, I'm gonna hold the light. Yeah, put it from inside. A little more.
can't see it.
Higher.
Higher?
Yeah, right here. Like this.
Okay.
Okay, now push it up like a little like this and pull the plug. Pull the plug by the wires. Pull it, pull it, pull it.
There.
There you go. Okay, so now as you guys can see, our 2011 Porsche Panamera is without lights, and Nicodemus, he's done his side and I've done my side.
Dirty hands on.
Dirty hands, huh?
Starting.
Well, thank you guys for watching for this episode. You know, actually we can now remove also this black plastic right here. And what we need to do, Nicodemus, we already got the bolts out. So now we have to, there's one more underneath right here. So there's one more underneath. See if the T20 will work. Okay, remove the extension. Pull it out. Yeah, there you go. Okay, it might fall. No, so you need...
Too small.
Okay, so we need to go back to our T30, right?
Yeah.
Okay.
This thing.
Yeah. We want to take everything, and all these parts like the taillights will be offered on our eBay store. Okay, you got to push it in and now twist. There you go.
I don't need to do it fully though.
You can, yeah, you can try it by hands too. No, you have to unscrew the bolt. Take it off. There you go. Yeah, to hold this plastic, I mean, they put three bolts. I would say fairly large, which I think it could be held on just on clips.